This little baby here, the 98, if you were after that, is now gone, sold. Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a little tour of the bikes that we have for sale at the moment. So at the front of the showroom here we have 4 small frame Vespas, and these 3 here are all with our electric conversion kits in them. And this is a little pedalo. Now these little 50cc's, you can actually ride them with your car license and not have to do a CBT if you passed your test before 2001, your car test that is. Now, if you haven't passed your test before 2001, you can do a CBT just once and then you don't have to do it again to ride a 50, a moped that is. Okay, come in the showroom and I'll show you some of the other stock that we have inside. Don't forget, free bottle of wine from our vault here, red wine with Italian grapes, very nice wine with all the bikes that we sell. Having a look around the showroom, we have a Vespa Sprint, and this has got a PX 200 engine in it. So great restored model and a lot of modern tech under the bonnet. We've got a lovely little Douglas 152L2, fully restored to original spec, but a great little runner, very reliable. Going down the lineup, I have my Lambretta section just in the corner here. This is our electric Series 1. This is a TV Series 2. It's just come into stock. Now that's a nice bike. Been restored a few years ago, but very clean and presentable. I've got a GT 200 just come in. This is a TV 200, very rare model. Lovely sort of a dealer special bike from the 60s, tastefully done. So that's on the website. In the corner here, we have a Faro Basso for sale. And again, an older restoration, but very clean and presentable. This little baby here, the 98, if you were after that, is now gone, sold. It's going to California to a collector, and glad to see it find a good home. The GL here from 63 is a good value for money bike. Actually, this is 4.5 grand. We restored this a few years ago, but it's still in great condition. Going along this line up here, another PX, good value for money. And beside it, a very one-off, rare, brand new PX 125. You won't find this anywhere. One mile on the clock, never seen the road. So got that on the site now for sale. Another one of our electric conversions, a little grey street racer type bike, but we have done our electric kit in it. But these are all on the website and more if you want to have a look on there now. Thank you.